Fresh and flavorful Vietnamese rice paper salad rolls for every occasion. Imagine wrapping up a rainbow of crunchy vegetables, fragrant herbs, and tender shrimp or tofu in a soft, delicate rice paper sheet. One bite and you're instantly transported to a vibrant street market in Vietnam, where freshness rules and every flavor pops with life. Vietnamese rice paper salad rolls, often called goi cuon, are the ultimate celebration of fresh ingredients and balance. They're light but satisfying, refreshing yet deeply flavorful. Best of all, they're customizable and surprisingly easy to make at home. To prepare enough salad rolls for 4 people, around 16 rolls, you'll need 16 round rice paper wrappers, 200 grams cooked shrimp, sliced lengthwise, or use tofu for a vegetarian option, 1 cup rice vermicelli noodles, cooked and drained, 1 cup shredded lettuce or Napa cabbage, 1 cup julienne carrots, 1 cup cucumber strips, ½ cup fresh mint leaves, ½ cup fresh cilantro, ½ cup Thai basil, optional. Begin by setting up a clean, damp surface. Soften each rice paper sheet by dipping it into warm water for a few seconds until pliable. Lay it flat and layer a small amount of noodles, shrimp or tofu, and vegetables about 1/3 of the way from the bottom. Sprinkle herbs on top for a fragrant touch. Gently fold the sides inward and roll tightly, just like a mini burrito. The trick is not to overstuff them, keeping the rolls neat and easy to handle. For dipping, whip up a classic sauce by mixing 3 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 tablespoon water, and a dash of sriracha for spice. Top with crushed peanuts for the perfect finish. What makes these salad rolls so irresistible is not just their taste but also their adaptability. You can swap ingredients based on what's in your fridge, making it the perfect no recipe for any season. Fresh, colorful, and healthy, Vietnamese rice paper salad rolls are more than a dish, they are an experience. Once you master them, you'll find yourself craving their fresh crunch and vibrant flavors again and again. Which fresh ingredients would you love to wrap inside your perfect salad roll? Tell us below and inspire others to get rolling.